Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out this Modelones Polygel nail kit. This kit was sent to me, but all opinions are still my own. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review and going through everything the kit comes with, and I'm going to be showing you how I created this set with the kit. I'm also going to be showcasing these Modelones nail art brushes. I hope you enjoy, and let's get right into it. This Polygel nail kit is currently priced at $47.99, and these are some of the amber nail art brushes. I'll be showing you those later. Getting into the kit, it comes with a pink polygel, as well as a clear polygel, and it comes with 6 gel polishes. This one's a pink glitter, a taupe color, a purple glitter, a nude color, a silver glitter, and a black. This kit also comes with a base and top coat, a small bottle of slip solution, a standard double-ended polygel brush, a little pack of dual forms, a nail file, a mix of some purple gems, this iridescent nail powder, and a mini nail lamp. This little lamp is so cute. It comes with a little cord. It's perfect for a starter kit. It also comes with some instructions. Onto the nail art brushes. These are so pretty. The amber design is so beautiful. These are currently priced at $21.99. You can purchase them on Modelones website. I'll have everything linked down below. It comes with 9 brushes. Here's some of them up close. I feel like some of these would make some perfect cleanup brushes. Here they are all together. And let's get into swatching. The first shade is this black one. Here's one of the nude colors. Here's the taupe color, the silver glitter color, the pink glitter color, and the purple. As you can see, these two are color changing. Here's the clear polygel, as well as the pink polygel. I also wanted to test out the nail powder. It's a really pretty iridescent sort of blue color. Here I have all my tips picked out. They're long coffin today, and I'm taking some of the base coat and applying that to my nails. This is what'll help the polygel nails to last. I plugged in the mini nail lamp, and I'm going to be using this for today's set. Pouring out some of the slip solution now. I'm taking this pink polygel and I'm squeezing some out on my thumb. I'm going to be doing just the nail bed, creating a smile line. And I'm going to do my thumb on its own to test out what I might want to do for the nail design. This polygel is so far really easy to work with. It's not too stiff, but it's also not sliding around too much either. And I really love this pink color. I think it's the perfect cover nude shade for me. So I'm curing that once I'm done. Now with the file, I'm just going to sharpen it up. And once we're done with that, on the nail tip, I'm actually painting on the purple color changing gel polish. And while it's still wet, I'm dragging on some of the black polish to help create a marbled effect. I'm using one of the nail art brushes to help me create this design. Once I have that how I like, I'm going to pop it into the lamp, and you can see that the heat from the lamp was enough to show the color changing effect. With the clear polygel, I'm going to encapsulate and build the nail up. I'm going to go ahead and cure that. And now I'm going to file and shape. Here it is so far. Moving on to the other nails. I'm going to be doing another French design on my middle and pinky nail, so I'm going to repeat those steps. Once we have the nail beds done, on my pointer and ring fingers, I'll be doing the entire nail in the pink shade, patting it into place and shaping. And once I'm done with those, I'm going to sharpen up the smile line and repeat the same steps that we did on the thumb. Painting on the color changing purple gel, then dragging on some black gel while it's still wet. Again, I'm using my nail art brush to help me create the marbled effect. And once I like that, I'm going to go ahead and cure it. Now I'm encapsulating once again with the clear poly gel, patting that into place. And once everything's finally cured, I'm going to be filing and shaping. I'm just using a hand file for this. Since polygel is a bit softer, it makes the filing process a lot smoother. And now that we're all filed and shaped, I'm going to be putting on a base coat so that there's a nice smooth surface for the nail art later on. Here they all are, ready for the nail art. I'm taking some black gel and one of the nail art brushes, and I'm going to be painting on some butterflies. As you can see, I do the basic outline first, then I go in and thicken up some of those lines, and then I fill in the wings. I'm not being too particular with this, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm now also going to be defining the French smile line with some of the black color, just so that it stands out as well when the color change happens. And now I'm pulling out some of these purple gems and I'm going to add them to a few of the nails. I'm using the clear poly gel as my bling gel today, just putting that where I want the gems to go and then topping it with some top coat. And I'm going to do a little rhinestone placement by the cuticle. I'm going to repeat that same thing on my thumb and pinky, using the poly gel and some top coat to stick the gems down, just placing a few by the cuticle. Once we have those, I'm going in with some final details. I decided to take one of the nude gel polishes from the kit and create some dots on the wings. And once I'm all done with that, I'm going to top coat the rest of the nails. So here's how the nails came out. They came out so cool. I love the color changing effect. I think it just adds so much fun to your nail sets. The kit really came with everything that you need, even down to the lamp. I really enjoyed how the polygels performed as well. They were very easy to work with. And I really did love these nail art brushes. And I can tell that these nail art brushes are super high quality. They feel very nice. They work perfectly for this set, and I feel like a lot of them would be perfect for cleanup brushes or even some 3D art. I'll be linking both the polygel kit as well as the nail art brushes down below in the description box. If you're at all interested in purchasing or checking them out, they'll be down there. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.